Eh, hindi nga nasabi sa atin, usually coat talaga tayo, pero dapat yata trench coat. Ang suot dito sa lamig.
Sa lamig, yes. And yun na nga, breaking the ice. Very first basket on the penetration.
Pinapagtrabaho talaga ni Porter itong si Fajardo. Bronja with offensive rebound. Can San Miguel finally score? Yes, they can.
And this is going to be an issue for the Elasa Painters. They have to do a good job blocking out Brondial or even Junmar Fajardo. Another missed
Push
shot.
Junmar the way he used to before. Yan ang magiging tanong. Yongson for three. Knocks down the first triple of this game.
So comfortable taking shots from the outside. Obviously, he has that green light even in transition. He shot 3 out of 7 from the three-point area against Meralco. And now, the confidence is just up there. Alam mo na talagang kasama.
Docomo getting away. Docomo flying! Aviator Adrian gliding through the air.
It's just so beautiful watching him in transition because of his... Makita mo yung talon? Mag-isa siya ron eh.
Kalma sa ilalim. I don't know how he was able to get that through.
Courageous. That is the best way to describe not shooting at a very high clip from Rainbow Country.
Ang swerte lang sila is that etong Rain or Shine is not much better. Rain or Shine is actually 2 of 14.
But count 1 3-point shot more because of Pringle.
Cruz using that screen. Oh, look at that. Jericho deceiving Porter.
And there is a problem right now with the ball screen defense of the Elasta Painters. The dribblers, the guards specifically, are
Nakuha doon. Perez for 4. CJ from way downtown.
And what a way to end the first 2 quarters of action. CJ Perez.
Scoreless, by the way.
Unbelievable. Good defense by the Elasta Painters.
Mabuyak! Initya na lang, pumasok pa.
So the challenge right now for the Elasta Painters is order number 1, stop
Theo
Junmar.
leading a teammate. Reset sila ng offense. Lassiter. That's a 3. He's all right.
He is okay.
It feels like he's...
Kaya naman sa ngayon, ang bili ni Coach Ricky, as long as open, tira lang ng tira. And kailangan lang mas maganda ang kanyang field goal percentage. Balik sa inyo.
We'll talk more about Docomo later, but we have to talk about Pringle open. A 3 for Stanley.
It is the kind of game that the Elasta Painters
Yongson versus Karakot in the backcourt. Wami to Junmar. Free throw line jumper. Finally, a bucket for Junmar. Kanina pa yung tahimik.
hindi naman kinakailangan na puro na lang lakas ang gagamitin ni Junmar. Na-develop niya na rin.
Against Docomo this time. Wami, his favorite shot. Got it to go. May foul pang tinawag kay Docomo.
He is just a born scorer. You cannot question them. It's part of their game plan.
Perez to Fajardo. Nagulat si Junmar. Libreng-libre siya. Sabi niya, first time nangyari yun sa larong to. Look at it. First,
Actually, the second half was a lot better in terms of efficiency by the players of San Miguel. This guy started scoring. He was held scoreless in the first 2 quarters.